Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the trending Add Your Stickers on your YouTube Shorts. So YouTube Shorts have now introduced Add Your Stickers when you create Shorts. So let me show you how you can create YouTube Shorts with your Add Your Stickers. So first you want to go to your App Store, search for YouTube, and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Once the ad loads up, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign at the bottom. This will now take you to the recording studio for YouTube. Make sure you select your shorts. Go ahead and post a video from your phone library, or you could basically just record a video. I'll choose a video from my phone library. Once you've added the 15 seconds video, go ahead and tap on the tick at the bottom right. Now here, you can add text, you can edit your videos, you can do some color corrections, some audio, and you can add stickers. So here we'll concentrate on stickers, tap on it. And now you've got two stickers to choose from. You've got the Q&A and Add Yours. So since this is about Add Yours, so this is a new feature which YouTube have introduced, the Add Your stickers. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you can go ahead and add a prompt. So you can basically ask questions and your viewers can respond to your shorts. Here, my question is, which videos do you like to watch? Tap done at the top right. And now I can go ahead and post this video to my YouTube Shorts. I can go ahead and give it a caption. I can set all the settings here and then upload the short. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and see your short with your Add Your stickers on it. And there you go. That is how to get the trending Add Your stickers to your YouTube Shorts. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.